You blasted bird! I feel like I was just here moments ago, but this one keeps croaking. Go back! Go back!
You bastard! Why all this trekking back and forth? We're goners if we just wander an aimless path.
Oh, I'm pitiful. Imagine letting this crow, strange colored crow, I must say, convince me to take a hike of more than 100 miles.
And as for me, I'm hapless. Letting a jackdaw convince me to rip the nails right off my toes.
Even I'm unsure where in the world we are. Do you think we could find our native land from here with your help?
God, no! Not even Accestes could!
Oh, damn!
Travel your own side of the road, my friend.
He is still doing us dirty, that man from the bird market. He's still crazy, that Socrates. He claimed these two could show us the way to the hoopoe, Tereus, who once was human and became a bird. And he sold us that jackdaw there, that son of Therides, for 3 obols. And this crow here for 1. But they turn out to know nothing but nipping. Are you trying to take me down there to those cliffs? I tell you, there's no passage here.
My God, there isn't even a pathway here.
Hey, this crow's saying something about the passage. Yes, he's croaking differently now.
Well, what's it say about the passage then?
Nothing. Only he says to bite my damn fingers off.
Now isn't this a terrible situation just when we're both ready and eager to go straight to the buzzards? We can't even find the way!
The thing is, you gentlemen, there in the audience, we're sick with the opposite of Sackus's sickness. See, he's a non-citizen trying to force his way in, while we, men of good standing and trying to plan, solid citizens with no one trying to shoo us away, have up and left our country with both feet flying. Now, it's not that we're essentially, it's not that Athens wasn't essentially great and blessed, where all watch their boat fly away in time. But the thing of the matter is, cicadas circle their house for only a month or 2, while Athenians, they harp on their lawsuits all their live-long lives. That's why we're trekking this trek and wandering the vast cities of kettle and myrtle boughs in search of a peaceable place, a place where we can settle down and simply pass our lives in peace. Our mission now is to find Tereus. We must learn from him if on his journey he's seen that sort of city anywhere.
Hey!
What is it?
This bird has been trying to show me something up there for quite some time.
This jackdaw's gaping upwards too, as if pointing me towards something. There must be birds in the area. We'll soon find out if we start to make some noise.
Yes, I've got an idea. You just throw yourself at that tree as hard as you can.
You thump it with your head. We'll get twice the noise.
Oh, then get a stone and knock.
Oh boy! Oh boy!
What are you doing calling the hoopoe boy? You should be calling, oh, hoopoe!
I can hear it coming.
Yeah, once you heard the sound building, you knew it was going to get bad. I heard it on the I can only assume they lie wrong.
The most exciting